Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to the Star and Delta channel. I am engineer Hossein Iqbal. I have bring to all of you another my lecture video about the topic is floatless level switch relay. So before starting this video lecture, I introduce floatless level switch relay. What is the purpose, what is the usage, what is application, and installation as well. In the upcoming slides I will discuss each and everything for you. Description about floatless level switch relay. In this slide I will discuss the model of this level switch relay, also its brand, what is the type of this relay, and application as well. Also we will discuss the input source, power source, and the secondary voltages is the electrode side voltages which provides by the level switch relay, and this relay or device operating at which frequency. I will each and everything discuss in this slide. So first of all, have a look on in this picture. The model of the floatless level switch relay is a 61F GPN8. This is very commonly used in industry, and this brand is Omron. Omron company is very famous company. If you talk about automation, control and instrument, so the Omron company brand is very famous brand. So the third, what is the type of this relay? This type of model relay is general purpose type, and its application widely used in the industrial application, and for the clean water or the sewage water tanks, easily installation, and a very more effective result as compared to float level switch, and less maintenance cost, and less expensive. And the power source of this relay is 220 volt AC, and the secondary voltages is the electrode voltages which are installed in the tank. In upcoming slide I will discuss and I will clear to all of you the concept about this. So the operating frequency of this device is 50 to 60 hertz. So guys, in this slide I gonna show you how to perform the connection, and I here give you one application example using the three-phase induction motor pump, which is collected the water from the reservoir tank at the ground level, and the fill the water to the upper level tank. So first of all, here I utilize power RST three-phase source to the motor energizing. So this part is the power circuit, and this side is the control circuit of the relay and switching. how to control the motor by using these electrodes in the upper tank level. So let's go through the topic. So the MCCB, the molded cage circuit breaker here, using and after that the contactor and thermal overlay using for the protection of this motor pump. So this is a part of the our desired floatless level switch relay. First of all, the its input source power, I discussed in the past slide. The 5 and 6 is the 220 volt AC input source of this coil. You can see here the mark. So the another point is another pin 4 number is the common pin for the switching. You can either use 220 volt AC, or you can use a 24 volt AC for the contactor coil. If you can, it's depend on your application. If you are using the 220 coil contactor, you can use here the 220 volt AC. If you will use the 24 volt DC contactor, you can use here at the common 224 volt. So another pin is a 3 number pin, is a normally open, and the number 2 is a normally closed. So here is a upper level tank in which using 3 electrodes E1, E2 and E3. It's depend on your purpose, how you will choose these all 3 levels, or you can just motor switch on and off on the E1 and E3, or E2 and E3. It's totally depend on your application. So here are the 3 electrodes pins. These connection going to the electrode inside the upper level tank. You can see in this picture. So 7 pin is E1. As you can see, this is E1 electrode number 1, the upper level tank, and the 8 is a moderate level, and the E3 is the low level. And I hope you will understand this connection diagram. Installation of relay and electrodes location view. Yes, in this slide I'm going to show you the panel inside view of the relay, floatless level relay switch mounted on the rail. And another side, this is a water tank view where the 3 electrodes installation has been done by my team at the site. So this type of plate, you can see the L-shaped plate you can install beside the water tank wall. So these are the 3 electrodes. You can see E1, E2, E3. E1 the up level of the water level of tank, E2 is a moderate, and E3 is a down or low level, you can say. So I hope you understand about the installation of the floatless level switch at the panel side, and the physical installation inside the water tank.